Hi everyone. The three clips that we're going to be looking at today show a lovely transition from the first clip to the last. Now they're all filmed at the same location. It's travelling out of Manchester on the M602 where it joins the M62, and the first clip is in 2018 and the final one is this year, 2021.
Sake. You fucking moron! You fucking idiot! Oh, don't be a dick. Don't do it.
Our camera found these clips on his computer and he sent them in for analysis because when he watched them back he was embarrassed of his own driving. Now this was a common route for our camera. He travelled from Cheshire to Manchester and back every day for work, but this junction must have been his trigger.
Oh, don't be a dick.
He did admit, although the other drivers were being selfish and probably dangerous by pushing in so late, that his driving wasn't much better. He was travelling far too closely. He wasn't reading the road, and this led to the poor late braking. Also, the use of the horn in reprimand wasn't a good idea. In his mind though, all the other drivers were idiots and he was a great driver.
You fucking moron! You fucking idiot!
Now, there are many incidents when I was a young lad, pre-being a driving instructor, where if I watched footage back of my driving, I'm sure that I would be equally embarrassed. There are even clips on my YouTube channel that aren't from so long ago that I look back now and I'm less than impressed with how I acted. I've never professed to be that perfect driver, and neither should anyone else. We are all on this constant learning curve that we should never stop picking things up and improving. My camera's improvement has been clear and obvious, and we can see by this last clip he has worked hard at being calmer and more considerate on the roads. By planning more and sticking to the speed limits and now not rushing, he finds driving much more enjoyable again. Is this something that your driving could do with? Well, I already know by you watching this video and my channel you're on that journey, but let me know in the comments exactly how far you've got. Thanks a lot for watching everyone. Hope to see you soon, and remember, keep safe and keep calm.